What's up, Z&A family? It's your boy, Zay&AryShow.
And it's your girl, Ari.
I know you probably wondering, hold on now. What's up with your boy energy? I'm just screwed. I'm screwed, baby.
I like spicy stuff, so.
I don't eat spicy stuff at all. As you can tell by this title, we finna eat some spicy.
Some spicy noodle challenge we're gonna do. I'm excited. I never really had this brand of spicy noodles at all. I've been seeing this trend for like forever. Just never did it. It has cooled down. So this is it. It's cooled down. So, cause what I know is like temperature hot and spicy hot, they don't go together.
Ooh.
No, she gonna have a little attitude.
Hannah, chill. It's okay, okay? It's okay.
So, this is how they
You're okay,
look.
mama. Sit right here. Y'all ready for this? I didn't truly understand this challenge until probably like 15, 20 minutes ago when she said like, we gotta see who can eat the most without drinking something.
Can't drink nothing. No water, nothing. No ice, nothing. Nothing. We gotta see who will last the longest.
I got my juice on dick.
I think it's gonna be me since I like hot. I like spicy stuff. So I think it's gonna be me that's gonna win. But we'll see. Like, it's red. Like, it's hot. And the temperature cooled down, so it's no excuses. So we gonna get this thing going.
I'm ready for my first bite.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Z&A family, who you think gonna win? Me or her?
Type below the comments now.
Yeah. Drop the comment.
No, it's gonna be me.
All right, let's go. Wait.
And y'all get a little SMR because we got our little mics.
Yeah, hey, these are our new mics. We trying them out. Why I look like I got more on my fork than you do?
It don't matter. It just matter. If it's finished, it's finished. We got the same amount. Oh, show them the noodle packet. What's the noodle packet? We gotta show them.
Man, I'll show you that later. All right, let's get it.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. This is about the first bite. I know it's hot. I done pinned my hair up.
I win. I never lose.
We'll see about that.
Jesus.
I'm good right now. My tongue is a little tingling. I ain't gonna lie. It's tingling, but we good. We doing good. You doing all that is gonna make it worse.
Mind your business.
Okay, I'm trying to help you. Go ahead, grab that cup. Go ahead, grab it, baby. Go ahead. It's okay, baby. Tap out. It's all right.
Y'all pray for me.
I ain't even gonna hold y'all. It's spicy. It tastes like somebody like just downsed a whole bottle of hot sauce or half a bottle of hot sauce. It's pretty hot.
You want some, Hannah? No, you don't.
It's hot, girl. I think I'm doing pretty good. Slow and steady wins the race.
Don't judge me for wiping my nose on my hand.
I'm slowing down not because it's hot, but because I'm full already.
You sound like you lying.
I'm not lying. I'm the one that keep taking bites. You the one that's finna punk out.
Punk out who? I'm a real one.
Yeah,
From the
okay.
day I came out the womb. You hear me? Yeah, I don't punk out from none. I feel like I'm sweating.
And it's sweet. Like, I don't think I like that. It's sweet hot. I thought it was gonna be like savory, but it's not.
Nope.
Winner, winner. Chicken dinner.
Forget your chicken dinner, cuz.
Tapped out. Tapped out. Daddy lost. That's how much I had left. It's roughly a lot. But I get full fast.
I'm going through it. Y'all pray for me. If y'all pray for me. I'm struggling.
Your lips is pink. My lips is a little. Whew. Still haven't touched an ounce of liquid. I'm good. I'm Gucci.
You stay Gucci, I'm gonna drink your drink.
But I won. If you had a W in the chat for me, you a real one. You wise. You smart. You was important. Okay, W's in the chat for Team Ari. L's in the chat for Zay.
If you had if you had a W in the chat for me, you don't know me. I don't eat nothing hot.
Nothing hot. But
Oh no.
you wise and you smart for me. I had to pin my hair up and everything for this. But this was light work. We need to do something hotter.
What?
Yeah. Cause the spicy chip, the chip challenge, that was hot. I was in the bed. Like, update on that. Bruh, I thought my insides were dying. Like, I could not feel my stomach. I was crying for my mama in the wee hours of the night. That was hot. That was hot. This slight work. I put hot sauce in my noodles all the time. So
This ain't no hot sauce in your noodles type stuff.
he is suffering.
Oh, my lips hurt.
Well,
Oh my God.
that's it. That's all. We gotta get the noodle packet so we can show them.
What y'all think we should do next?
Comment down challenges below
Oh my God.
or what we should do next. Cause that was slight work.
My
Somebody give me
PJs.
something more challenging. Get the noodle packet before we run out of more storage.
Okay. You hold this. Mouth hurt.
This is what it is. chicken noodle, volcano chicken noodle. That's crazy hot. Yeah, it's alright. It wasn't all that, you know? But yeah, that's it for this video, guys. He's suffering. I'm about to enjoy me some ice cream, a little jump stick, and chillax, because ain't nothing going on over here. I'm Gucci. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Road to 100 subscribers, still in the going, we still doing it. So make sure you subscribe, comment down below, like, show your support. We love y'all. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.